me show you how we get it outside.
Hey everybody, Michael Anthony Fitness here. MAF GigEcon, as I'm known on this platform, on this new channel. And I got a story for y'all that happened to me a couple of weeks ago. But before we get into that story, if y'all want to come here to hear stories about GigEcon, ride along videos, and just learn what I know about working Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, Grubhub, Veho, there's a place to come. And make sure y'all ball that fist up in that anger and punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy button, and Hulk smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash that like button to get more content from this channel. Now today, before we get into that story, today was a good day. I ended up last night getting a Veho route. It originally had 25 stops, but ended up having 19 stops and was close to home. Literally in my backyard. So I made it so easy. I got a 3-hour route done in less than an hour and a half, so I'm good with that. And I'm just out here seeing if I can get a Uber or a DoorDash to reach my goal this week. Now I'm like $6 shy of my goal for the week, but just because I made more last week, it'll make up for this week if I don't hit my goal, if I'm $6 short. So with all that said, I'll put the final totals at the end of the video so you can see what I made this week just doing the GigEcon work this week. Now the meat and potatoes of why y'all came to this video, to hear the story that I have to share with y'all. So this was about 2 weeks or so ago when I was doing Veho, delivering packages. And if you don't know what Veho is, it's similar to Amazon Flex. But instead of delivering those type of packages from Amazon, you are delivering food prep kits. Or coffee. Or fruit and vegetable kits. Or seasoning kits is what you're delivering through Veho. So I got my route. It's going good. It's going good that day. Almost finished with my route. And where I was delivering this day was up a country road in the country where the richer people in my area live. And I was going up this country road, and I went exactly where the maps took me to get to the location. And as I park in front of their mailbox to see where they want me to deliver this package, because they had a driveway with a little roundabout and a little fountain in their driveway. So I sit there for a minute, read the notes. Oh, they were on the front porch. And before I could even get out of my vehicle, there are these pack of dogs. Now, I'm not scared of dogs. Maybe pit bulls. But majority of dogs I'm not scared of. But these were brown Teacup dogs. And it's like a scene in a fight movie where these dogs surrounded my vehicle. I had to pause before I could get out the vehicle to see how I was going to attack this, because this was my second to last stop for the day. These dogs, I should say a few of them, were out there barking, carrying on, and just going crazy. It had to be at least 12 of them, easily. We had a few of them that were just there, like MAF Links.
I'm here so I won't get fined. I'm here so I won't get fined. I'm here so I won't get fined. I'm here so I won't get fined.
Some were there just to see the action go on. And I'm thinking to myself as I get out of my vehicle to survey the scene, I was like, with these dogs, there was no way in hell that I could drive up their driveway. Because my vehicle, because these dogs were so small, teacup sized dogs, my sensors didn't pick them up. So I start walking up their driveway. And a few of them, not all, but a few, were out there nipping on my clothes, nipping on my shoes. And all I'm here to do is deliver a package. I was like, nah, fam. I'm just going to leave it at the mailbox. I just need to get up out of this joint because there's too much going on. I may have ripped up pants by the end of this delivery. So I go to the mailbox, and so I'm just going to leave it at the mailbox. I scan the package, I take a picture of the package, and I go to take a picture of the numbers on the house that was on the mailbox, and come to find out where the GPS took me was not the correct address.
You big dummy.
The house I had to go to was the next house up the street. So I pack it up, get in my vehicle, and start heading to the house next door where the package was supposed to be delivered to. And a few, not all, maybe 2 or 3, were running after my car. It was a shame, to say the least. A shame. They had to deal with all that during a delivery. All because the GPS took me to the wrong location. And after I delivered that package, there was a few of them that was right by the gate, the entrance to the house. And they were running after my car again. I'm just glad no animals were harmed in this delivery. I'm just glad. Because that would have been the worst thing ever, being a dog owner. But I survived. That delivery. I survived. And what I take from that delivery is that make sure you are going to the right address. Because this could be you. But it's Michael Anthony Fitness. And I will see y'all on the next video or live stream. Because I'm gone. Like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.